I'm SkinnyBoyRandy. Thank you so much for being here. Hey, you guys. Hello, my wayward backers. How you doing today? It's your guardian with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I love having you guys here. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, you guys. Yep. Earlier today, it was bright and sunny. Tonight, it's snowy, as you can see. Yes, you guys, I'm doing this video just for you guys. Hey, you guys, yay, my wayward backers. If you're new to the channel, click a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Also, if I can't answer the question here, head on over to my Facebook group on your sled. And then slide on back. Okay. That group is called Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are welcome as well. Yes, you guys, I got my mask on, got my scarf on, got my hat on, because I ain't trying to get sick. We ain't got no money to be getting sick. We ain't got no money to be going to call 911 YouTube. Okay. 911 YouTube. We can't do that. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Yes, you guys, just wanted to make a quick video, let you know we're getting a snowstorm here in Richmond, Virginia, Zone 7. And yes, you guys, we have our milk jugs outside. We have our seed plants inside. And I just had to come out here in the snow and let y'all see. If you don't get any snow, this is what it looks like, y'all. Can I get the camera the right way? That's how it go, y'all. That's how it go. Here in Zone 7, Richmond. Richmond, Virginia. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I just wanted to say hello. We're getting a little snowstorm here, you guys. We have our milk jugs out there. We're doing our gardening. Oh, I ain't even in the camera. Can y'all see me? Can you see me, y'all? Can the people see me? Hey, y'all. Yes, I just wanted to say hello in the middle of the snowstorm, and it's about to lighten up. And I have to go to the hospital tomorrow morning, go to work. But I just wanted to say hello to you guys. It's snowing. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Also, check out my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook group. You guys, I just wanted to make a video to let you know it's snowing. Okay. And I guess this video don't even make sense. All right. I just want to let y'all know it's snowing. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Love you guys. It's your SkinnyBoyRandy snowstorm. It's the SkinnyBoy Farms. Again. And it's going to be 60 degrees in a couple of days. I love you. Bye.